Hey everyone, you are watching Technology Welfare. In this tutorial, I will show you everything step by step with real demonstration how to fix your email password in case you don't have the recovery email and the recovery phones. This idea has been recommended by one viewer who has lost his device, and due to losing of his device now, he doesn't have the recovery email and the recovery phone so that easily he can rescue. So he has recommended, let's see, we will try to create a best alternative options to the rescue of this Gmail password. But don't worry, in a case someone who has stolen, hijacked, hacked by someone, or in a case due to old ID, unfortunately you have forgot your Gmail password. You don't remember recovery email and recovery phones. And then what's the best strategy to the rescue of it? We will see. Right now, see by normal method also I have attempted in front of you, especially before you. Now, essentially that you did not provide enough information for the Google to be sure that this account is really yours. Google asks for this info to keep your account secure. Yes, to rescue of this Gmail, you will have to track and answer his questions. Or second is that if your account is managed with any alternative email or family links, and then we have sent emails to your parents to change your password. If you don't have, so now can I go ahead track? No. If you do multiple times, then this will be repeated again and again, and you will have no option further to this account may be a freeze for permanently. So just we will go for come in a Play Store. In the Play Store, of course, we'll tap on it especially here, and we will click on via fast and light browser. Scarcely, yes, 3 to 5 MB, guys. So 2 MB is here right now, so it will be quickly installed. Fines via that. This procedure can be applicable on any smartphones only once, not on an iOS device, guys. Yeah. Now that we have the installed, on the other hand, we will have to come in, especially Google 2. We will hold this in the browser, and of course we will tap on it. When we click on notification, we will have to make it disable, and after making it disable, of course we will tap on permission. We will have to navigate to customize the precise location, guys, so that navigation will not be easily traction that's in which location your ID was created or especially locked. So now here, see, it has disabled. We will click on it, don't allow. So it's notifying that if you deny this permission, the basic feature of your device no longer function as intended. Fines don't allow. Now here, just we will click to the cut it. Yeah, second things we will come in, especially Chrome browser, hold it. Of course we will tap on it, and after tapping, so what we will do, guys, here just we will come notifications to we will have to make it off, and then of course we will come in especially here permissions, tap on it, similar strategy, take the how many, yes, scan how many the browser you are using, and after that, of course, on each browser you will have to apply this strategy, make it the precise location of, and then don't allow anyway, no longer the function is intended. One thing more also we will have to confirm is that permissions, yes, remove the permission, the free of space especially, and then we will cut it from here. Once again we would like to check it out, hold it, the browser will come on here, and the one of course will come on open by default options. We will make it disable this links. Free of space is already disabled. So now what we will do, guys, here, yes, we will have to here tap on especially fast and light the browsers to the open it. Yes, we will tap on it, and upon we will go for especially agree, and upon of course we will have to accept the term and condition here. So now directly we are on a home screen. Here we can write here Google. So right here Google's, and of course here at the corner we will have to tap on it. So when we tap on it, and then of course we will click on especially here right here especially particular Gmail that we would like to rescue of it, and tap on it. So now see how easily this can be the rescue. Yes, we will click on a forgot password because we don't have a password. Fines. Here is especially maybe this device was lost, so just we will click on it, try another way. Now here, see, asking last password, so we have the one more options to other SQL files. Now this number is verified, so this is verified ID that we don't have. If you have that, of course you can have a text or call and you can get OTP and you can easily rescue, but we don't have. So I click I don't have my phone's files. Now it is just change answer as many questions as you can. Use a device where we have the sign in before 51 and alternative, of course, email. So can I again try? No, don't click. Here is more options to rescue these accounts. This thing is coming, so then of course definitely you can rescue off your email password easily. Just we will cut it from here. Don't click on a try again. So we will tap on a setting. Of course you will have a Google services and preferences options. So let's see, tap on it here. Now here is options that three dot to the pick help. We will take a Google Assistant and easily we will rescue. Now here what we will do here, just we will write hacked Gmail recovery, of course. Now here what we will do, guys, here simply here secure our hacked or compromised Google accounts. Tap on it. When we taps, this page will be open, guys. Here just we will come on here, review your account activities. Here is options that find out if your account has been hacked. Tap on it. Yes. Now this page, of course, we are here. Now see, these steps can rescue effects, and when we tap on it, then here should be only three options. One is that create a replacement Google account by getting locked out of your Gmail accounts, and third is that especially recovery page. Yeah, this ones you'll have to tap on it, so directly would be a transfers to other, especially I'm in the recovery page. Now here just we will have to tap on here, automatically decide would be recommended to you, and don't do anything, just to tap on an X and see what's going to happen magically. Of course easily this area has been recovered now. So here don't click on a tap to continue, click on a update password. When we tap on update password, directly we have, if you are clicking on a continue on that, would be especially tapping in its verify option. So obviously this can be rescued, guys. Now see the create a password, confirm password, and go for save it. After saving, of course you will have to go into Google management, Google account management. There one is a recovery phone and security in, or yes, on that option security, in that option you will have options to add new recovery email, and when we add a new recovery email, then we can yes, remove easily, wipe out easily. Yes, alternative recovery email phone number was added, that we will remove, and then we will add a new phone number. This item will be fully permanently secured. Further we cannot show you guys, and this is a privacy concern of my viewers, but if you think so that we have to customize this facial items in the system, and thereupon easily we can rescue, but you can't, then of course you can drop your emails. Especially you should have no any objections to disclose your ID on this channel or in the public domains. Definitely after the recovery, of course, I would deliver to you, don't worry. And yes, thank you for staying the tail end of these tutorials. Yes, this is the technology welfare, and I will be back with a step-by-step new tutorial. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share of these contents, because this is things that will inspire me a lot to make it such as informative tutorial, and it really supports the channel, guys. So thank you very much indeed. Have a great time, guys. Bye bye.